The story of Biswa Pujarni serves as a powerful testament to the central government's dedication to skill development through ITI institutes across India. Originally, Biswa was not among the brightest students, but her academic and professional journey was transformed through the practical education she received at ITI Bhubaneswar. This program, known for its hands-on approach, equipped her with the skills necessary to thrive in competitive fields.
Hi, my name is Biswa Pujarni. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I have done my ITI in 1999 from Bhubaneswar. I did my electronics in ITI, which actually gave me a lot of practical exposure and skills, which made me get into Doordarshan. Doordarshan is a channel, as you all know, it's a government channel. So I got apprenticeship there, and then I found my passion into computer. Here, today I'm working with Microsoft as a principal or as a director of engineering.
Expertise and proven leadership led her to Microsoft, where she took on the role of a director of engineering. In this capacity, she leads several teams driving innovation and establishing new benchmarks in software engineering.
Knew that since my childhood I was more practical exposed. He thought this course might give me a lot of practical exposure, not to get into a job specifically, but probably I can do something independently on my own, right? So hence I joined this course, and that really helped me to establish my base. And I'm proud today where I am because of lot of practical exposure or lot of skill which I got it during the course. My experience into the institution, the government ITI in Bhubaneswar, was really sort of fantastic, I can say. When I started my course, I can say I had zero knowledge into electronics, right? I didn't know, a lot of people fear that a girl can get into a electronics course, and what exactly the future would be, because it is more men focused area, right? So that was, if you are really interested to do something on your own, or if you are looking a future to start, this is a platform which can actually enable you to do a lot. So I look ahead. I would like to be a kind of a board of director of few companies, or would like to start up something on my own. Kind of find the right base, do the right course, keep learning, and then from there you can definitely excel in your career.
Biswa Pujarni's journey vividly illustrates the impact of the central government's ITI programs, which are designed to transform students into industry-ready professionals who are prepared to lead and innovate. Like Biswa, many students find these programs to be a gateway to discovering their potential and achieving success in highly competitive industries.